Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can unsave pins from Pinterest. Well, it's a pretty straightforward process. All you have to do is just launch your Pinterest app like so. And in this home feed, we can see all the pins as per our topics of interests. But it is pretty normal to just start saving every pin that appears on our screen because we think that they just are helpful to us or they are just great ideas. But if you want to clean up or organize your pins again, you may need to unsave some of the pins that you have saved. And here's how you can do it. After you are in the home screen, click on this profile icon at the bottom right section, and there go to the board where you have your pin that you want to unsave. Let's say I want to unsave this pin. Let's select that one, and at the top section we can see this three dots. Let's select it and go ahead and click on this edit pin. So unsaving and deleting, they're equivalent or equal in Pinterest. So just click on this delete pin, confirm the deletion, and there you are, your pin is gone. That's how you unsave pins from Pinterest. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up, and if you still have any questions or comments regarding unsaving pins from Pinterest, do leave them in the comment section. We'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.